Hi guys, I'm CS Minal Agarwal and I'm back again with the new video. My topic for today's video is how to file a incorporation for LLC certificate, or maybe you can say incorporation for LLC form for the state of Delaware. Okay, so we will just start with the registration process. It's very easy. You can just learn by this video itself. Okay, so firstly, you need to open this website named as onestop.delaware.gov. This is the government website. And after opening the website, you need to create a login ID and password. I have already created one. Okay, so I'm just signing in. After signing into the account to this website, you need to click on the registration tab as we are going to register the new LLC. So we will click on the registration tab, and after clicking on this, you need to click on this registered and licensed to the business. Here you can find the basic, information about that how this website will help you. That's all. After moving forward, they will ask you to select the process, or maybe you can say your purpose for registration. Like, for example, my business is a new sole proprietorship or partnership in Delaware. Okay, so you need to select this. Or maybe if the business is formed in another state and now you are looking to operate in Delaware. So there are various options. You can select as per your need. So currently I am just incorporating a new LLC in the state of Delaware itself. So I'll select this tab. After selecting the tab, I'll move forward. After moving forward, as you can see, there are various different ways to form this entity. Okay. So first option one is begin entity formation with one stop. Here you can just click and you will find the one stop solution. As you can see, this is a one stop Delaware government website. So they are making it the ease of the process for the formation. And now the next step is authorize your existing legal entity to operate in Delaware. This is the option you select when you have already a legal entity formed in another state, and now you want to expand to the in Delaware. Then basically, if you are in a different state, then you are foreign people, they are foreign entity for the state of Delaware. So you need to apply for foreign qualification for that purpose. And the next option is form with registered agent services. So you can basically contact the one of the commercial registered agent, which is also a government registered agent for the state of Delaware, and they will help you formation for that. Okay, so now we need to form with the one stop. So we are selecting the first option itself. Okay, so as we are looking to form the LLC, so select LLC. After selecting the entity type, they will give you the overview of the formation. Basically, the overview is nothing, but they are just, asking you to cover up the details. That is, if you want the fee information regarding the payment and of government fee, then you can visit the particular website. And they are also asking you to acknowledge that annual taxes for the LLC are due by June 1st of every year following the calendar year in which their certificate of formation become effective. Okay, so there is a website for that too. Okay, so now we will start with the registration process. Yeah. So after clicking on the registration process, the first process is step one is the entity name. As you all know, entity name is something you can reserve from earlier itself if you want to reserve earlier. And as you know, reserve your entity name for fee, which will reserve the name for the period of 120 days. Your reserved name will be valid for only for the period of 120 days. So you can reserve earlier as well. And the most important part is it should contain the word LLC, Limited Liability Company, or the abbreviation L.L.C, or the designation LLC, any out of these three. Okay. So after reserving the name, and even if you are unable to reserve the name, you can just, search here, the type here the name, and they will let you know whether the name exists or not. If the name exists, or if the name is similar to the existing entity, then it will be denied by the authority. Okay. So for instance, I am just taking this name, Carlite LLC. Yeah. After selecting the entity name, registered agent and office, they will ask you for the registered agent address, its name, and its office address. So basically, registered agent helps you in registering the after then registering the entity, like for receiving papers and helping you out for further incentives also. And registered agent should be the one that should have a local address. That is, local means that should have a permanent Delaware address. No one outside of Delaware can be a registered agent if you are incorporating the LLC in the state of Delaware. Registered agent, sorry, if you are incorporating the LLC in state of Delaware. Okay. So basically, you need to find out who will be a registered agent, and it will, require some fees of the registered agent for acting as that. Nothing much. Okay. So they are giving you also warning. The registered agent address must be valid street address in Delaware. A post office box is not acceptable. Yeah. So here you need to enter individual or company name. My registered agent address I have searched earlier. So it's just Maple Fiduciary Services Delaware Incorporation. Okay. So my address line, I have already saved the address. So I can select from here. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can save and continue to the next process. So as you can see, we have undergone with the overview process and entity details as well. So this is a review and generate document. They are basically asking you to review whatever the details you have provided till date. After reviewing the details like mentioned here, you can save and continue. For the we can move forward to the submission instruction. After moving forward, as you can see, as you can see, our document is generated. So basically, what is the document that has been generated? So as you can see, it is a LLC formation document that has been generated. So you can click over this and you can see there is a State of Delaware Certificate of Formation of LLC. So here the basic information has been provided. So after taking a printout of this form, you need to sign by the authorized person. Authorized person can be anywhere, can be anyone actually. It can be an incorporator, it can be a registered agent, or it can be a person who is authorized, like the company director, a member, whatever. You can authorize anybody to sign this document. So it should be a authorized person and his name. Okay. So after manually signing this form, you need to come back here and upload this document. Here is the tab for document upload services. You need to click over this and you will find the option for upload of the document. The division of corporation actually offers this option to directly upload. So you can just scan the copy and upload. Okay. After uploading the document, obviously you need to pay the fees, government fees. So here, this is the website for the fees payment. I have already opened it up. So here, form and fees, get corporate fee. Now you can see corporate fee schedule. So after opening this tab, corporate fee schedule, you can find the list of fees that should be paid to the Delaware Department of State. Okay. So now you can see there are different columns. First is state filing fee, that is minimum state filing fee, certified copy each. If you want the certified copy, then you will be charged $50. And the next is same day fee. If you want the formation certificate as early as possible, like if you want this on the same day, then you will be charged higher. And if you want the thing to be in 24 hours, then it will be charged accordingly. Okay. So we are actually forming the LLC. We need to find the schedule for that. Yeah, here it is. Formation domestic for LLC. Here are the fees provided. See, all you can see is here. Yeah, this is the fee structure for the formation of LLC. Okay. So that's all. Yeah, this is a very simple and easy process for the formation of LLC for the state of Delaware. And if you have any doubts and query regarding this, you can please comment on the comment box and let me know. I will resolve. Yeah, thank you very much.